Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing part 2 of the road work in St. Thomas. So sit back, relax as I take you through another video. Okay guys? It's my heart to see this. Guys, did you hear that pothole that I fell in a while ago? I feel it. And that's for most of the journey, guys. Some of them I just cannot help myself. The Great Princess Margaret Hospital. Great Princess Margaret. Look again at this terrible road. God is so treacherous, my God. Hear me dropping on the pothole there, guys. Boy. It's not pretty out here. Open trench. This, that. Guys, this is the road that the St. Thomas people have to travel on every day, in and out of St. Thomas. Treacherous. A glimpse of the beautiful Roselle Fall. And here comes the rain, guys. Can you imagine being on this road when it rains? As far as the eyes can see. Gullies no more. So guys, as far as the eyes can see, the road to into Martley, St. Thomas and beyond is in bad shape. So if you're planning on taking a trip over, plan an extra hour, okay, for now until we get our brand new highway. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.